Hello to everyone. Myself, Dr. Habeebur Rahman, Assistant Professor of Business Administration, Islamia College Autonomous, Wanembadi. Guys, today I would like to give very important lecture on our subject strategic management, that is strategic control, strategic evaluation and control, types or kinds of strategic evaluation and control. Let's see what is strategic control. Strategic control is concerned with the actions taking place on the basis of strategies applied. Yes, guys, whatever the strategies applied, implemented in an organization, then those strategy has been implemented properly or not, you need to focus on it, you need to control it. That is called strategic control. Whatever the actions you implemented, you need to check whether the actions are properly implemented, whether the actions are giving proper reactions or not. Everything will be focused. That is termed as strategic control. Next, strategic evaluation and control. Strategic evaluation and control is the process of determining the effectiveness of a given strategy in achieving the organizational objectives and taking corrective actions whenever required. Yes, guys. Here you need to evaluate. You need to measure whether the control has been effectively implemented or not, whether it is effectively implemented towards the achievement of organizational objectives or not. Everything has to be properly evaluated. That is called strategic evaluation and control. Next, types. There are very important four types of strategic evaluation and control. Point number one, premise control. Point number two, implementation control. Point number three, surveillance control. Point number four, special alert control. Point number one, premise control. The term premise means assumptions and conditions based on which the strategy of a company is formed. It is possible that in course of time, the assumptions or conditions may disappear or change. And if it is not detected, then it will spoil the whole strategy. So at regular intervals, the premise must be evaluated properly. Yes, guys, sometimes whatever we have been implemented, chances are there will face failure due to one or the other strategic environmental conditions. The entire process will get spoiled. So an organization must focus on premise control of strategic evaluation and control, because in an organization nothing can be spoiled, nothing cannot be affected due to internal or external environment of the organization. Very important point. Point number two, implementation control. Implementation control is the second type of strategic evaluation and control. At this stage, the top level management verifies whether all the strategies are implemented according to the strategic plans. Yes, guys. Under this type, all the top level management will focus whether the strategies have been implemented according to strategic plan or not. Planning is different, strategic plan is different. Strategic plan, completely long-term plan, different techniques, different approaches, different ideas have been implemented to achieve the organizational objectives, to beat the competitors. So everything has been implemented or not according to strategic plans, that must be verified by the top level management. It is called as implementation control. Point number three, surveillance control. Strategic management is mainly based on the study of internal and external environment. Any changes in internal and external environment may affect the strategies of the organization. So the organization should analyze the environment regularly. Yes, guys. Here, like surveillance camera, organization needs to focus on internal and external environment of the organization. If anything happens in internal organization, everything will get spoiled. If anything happens with the external organization, everything will spoil. So the organization must be prepared to face the internal and external organization at any period of time. Point number four, special alert control. Sudden and unexpected development like merger, joint venture, amalgamation, and acquisition may take place in the external environment. The special alert group keeps a close contact with the external environment through secret agents and informs company well in advance how to react. Yes, guys, sometimes merger will take place, joint venture will take place, amalgamation will take place, acquisition will take place. Merger means two companies joins together to achieve common goal. Joint venture means two companies joins together to achieve common goal with the same name. Amalgamation, three, four, five companies joins together to achieve common goal with different names. And acquisition means one company acquire, purchase another company. So if our competitors reacts like this, means you need to watch like a cameraman, you need to watch like a alert group, alert agent, how they are doing, what they are performing, what are the conditions of our competitors, and then you need to be prepared well in advance to beat them. So that is called special alert control. So thank you very much, guys. Next thing we'll discuss in next class. Wish you all the best.